Chris Dreamer, you fascinating enigma. We know so much and yet so little about you. How the heck do I draw Chris? I was sitting in my car for like 30 minutes, eyes closed in a trance, just looping Toby Fox's Third Sanctuary from Deltarune Chapter 4. This still doesn't fit. But then, it hit me like a fever dream. How do you answer a question when you don't have all the pieces yet? So I thought, why not lean into the confusion? Gotta draw. Masterpiece. Introducing a completely reimagined version of the cage. And now, it's time for you to finish the prophecy with me. That's right, welcome to the CK Art Contest. For newcomers, welcome! Every quarter, being September, December, March, and June, I release one of my projects to the community to finish with me. Watch this video for all the details, but essentially, I'm giving everyone full permission to do anything they want to this picture. Remix the new sketch, stick with the original, or do something completely different. It's all up to you. You're free to sign your work, but please credit your sources if you decide to upload it. And once you follow the line art tutorial that just dropped, you can take this line art and run with it. And the coolest part? Your art could be featured in the final speed paint reveal once it's done, along with some first, second, and third prizes if at least 10 people participate. So let's dive into the mystery of Chris Dreamer together. Links in the description. See y'all after Christmas break. Of course I would change the picture I'm trying to build a course around. Good old artist brain.